Hi, I'm Mark Assists from GeniusBlog. I'm here to teach you how to use this tool. Before we start, make sure you have the GeniusBlog package. We start by uploading the htdocs file to your hosting directory. After the upload, extract all the files from the zipped archive to ensure a smooth installation. Open your browser and access the directory where your code is hosted. We will be redirected to the installation page. Make sure you have created a database using your host's database wizard, with the database details in hand. We start filling in the requested fields. Great! Now that we've filled in the database details, we proceed by clicking the button Connect. Our database has been successfully connected, and now we are on the website configuration page. On this page, we fill in the website configuration fields, and then we insert the details for our first admin account. Excellent, with all fields filled. We proceed by clicking the button Submit. Notice that our installation has been completed. Now that we've successfully installed GeniusBlog, it's time to activate the script. If this is your first installation, click on Get a New License Key. Start by accurately filling in all the required fields. On the activation page, click the button below and your key will be generated. Now, return to your GeniusBlog dashboard and activate your script. With our script now activated, let's explore it by configuring the auto editor based on our niche. In this case, we'll set up the website for the recipes and cooking niche. Begin by removing all unnecessary languages and setting our default language. Next, add categories specific to our niche, as our articles will be generated automatically based on these categories. Save the configuration to load the new categories. Great! Configurations are done. Now let's test our auto editor. Notice we don't have a marker yet. We can add one by expanding the articles menu, opening the categories page, and adding a new post category. Now, go back to the auto editor and set the specifications for the first posts you'd like to generate. Click Start button. The Genius has started its work, generating an article as requested. Fantastic! Our articles were generated as expected, and the auto editor is working correctly. It's time to explore more functions of GeniusBlog. Let's now customize the appearance of our site. We start by expanding the Appearance menu and opening the Theme Options page. On this page, we style our website. For example, we might begin by modifying the header, adding new icons, and changing its color. After making the changes, we click Save. Note that sometimes changes may not be immediately visible due to old cookies stored in the browser. we check the modifications by browsing in incognito mode, where cookies are not loaded. The updates should now be displayed correctly. Now, let's work on the site layout by adding some gadgets. Let's kick off by enhancing our sidebar with new gadgets. See how straightforward it is to do this in GeniusBlog. Our gadgets have been successfully added to the sidebar. Now, let's take a step further and include some new links to our main menu. Within the Layout section, find and access menu options. Click on Add New Menu and check the header box. Here, you can effortlessly add, remove, or reorder menu items. Click on Add to Menu to include new links to your main menu. Specify the link name and URL and save the changes. The main menu now reflects the additions you've made. With the site appearance configured, let's explore new methods of creating posts. GeniusBlog embeds GeniusBlog in the text editor. We test it by generating a new file according to our preferences. In this example, we will generate an article about vegan recipes. We fill in all the fields by entering the information about the content we want to generate. Click Generate, and Genius will do its work. Our article is generated, and now we can add it to a category, tags, and a featured image. GeniusBlog allows us to upload images from our machine, or generate one with artificial intelligence in this case. We'll use AI to generate an image according to our theme. Once the image is generated, we click Import to Gallery and confirm that it is now available in our gallery. We finish by clicking Publish, and we can see that our article has been created as expected. Now that we've learned new methods of generating content in GeniusBlog, let's explore additional functionalities. For instance, our homepage seems too simple. Let's add a new module that displays recent posts. Expand the homepage settings and scroll down to the modules area. Choose the module template and then add and save the new configurations. Great, our changes have already reflected on the homepage. Let's conclude this video by quickly explaining other features of GeniusBlog. We can manage posts in the articles section. For example, here we will delete the welcome post. We manage pages in the Pages section. GeniusBlog also allows us to manage files on our website. Statistics tracking can be done in the Stats section. We can also manage system users in GeniusBlog. For instance, let's add an editor. We can modify advanced website settings on the General Settings page. Still in Settings, we have the Integrations section, where we can change API settings and other tools. See you soon!